20 years I've been studying this network marketing skills. I am still a student. From that, all my study of so many years, with so many books, so many teachers, workshops, seminars, convention, and personal coaching. You see, the American people, whatever they coach, they charge for a lot of money. How much did you pay for the Tony Robbins thing in Las Vegas? 1,700 US dollar for education. I'm now fully focused into network marketing learning, network marketing motivation, and knowledge, everything in my business of network marketing. App Your Freedom, freedom.com. A lot of people got after me from Mexico and they said, please translate it. And I got it translated into Spanish language also. And it is available in Mexico with Nancy and Adelia Garcia.